Katsudon. Make two simple dishes. One is my favorite of all time, Katsudon, and the other is just a pork katsu. Okay, let's start. So first, Scotch fillet. So I went ahead and bought today from the Thai bean a whole Scotch fillet. We then cut it up into probably about the size of my finger steaks, thickness wise. And then I've simply smashed them out with a meat tenderizer, one of these, smash them flat, and now we're going to crumb them more. So out of that Scotch fillet, I probably got about a good 12 steaks. So this just need a few eggs. So in here I've got 3 eggs. Just quickly toss those up, like so. You might add a splash of milk in there as well. Milk. Alright, so crumbing, if you haven't done it before, it's very easy. Eggs, flour, eggs, breadcrumbs. First I'm just going to season the meat a bit of pepper, and a little bit of salt. Right, into the flour, into the egg, and then into the crumb, like so. You know, if you don't eat pork, you can quite easily do this with chicken. Make chicken katsudon if you want it. Today we're going to do traditional katsudon. Okay, so push all those crumb out. There we go. Crumbed our pork, Scotch pork, scotch. I'm now going to fry them. So in here I've just got a shallow pan about 1 inch thick of cooking oil. We're just going to, it's already hot. Just going to drop these in. Should be able to squeeze both of them in here. Just want to get these nice and golden crispy. They won't take long to cook. Just flip them over. And over here I have just a strainer with a bowl and a paper towel. I'm just going to rest the pork in there for a minute or two once I pull it out of the oil. They're nice and crispy. Just about ready to come out of the oil. One. And two. Alright, so when you carve it up, just nice thin, manageable pieces. Remember, traditionally this is eaten with chopsticks. So, bite-sized pieces. We're going to hit it with some okonomiyaki sauce. And my assistant will pass some mayonnaise over, please. And we're going to hit it with a dollop of mayo. That's it, ready to go. Sure, you are. Okay, welcome back everyone. So we're on to the last stage of our katsudon. So get some heat in the pan. Minced. Not too much. We're going to add some water to this. Couple of eggs. 2 eggs, just lightly beat them, don't beat them too much. Mix it up. Just cook these onions until they're cooked. It's going to take about another minute. You can see we've got our katsu here, full katsu, which I've just pre-sliced, ready to go in the pan. Right, so just cook those onions out, probably another 30-40 seconds away. Right, sugar, I'm going to put about half a teaspoon of sugar. In. You're going to take your egg, give it another little quick beat, pour it straight over the pork, like so. We're going to finish with a few chopped spring onion or green onion, scallion, whatever you have. And then we're just going to finish off the egg with a lid. Now, some people, if they don't want their egg fully cooked, can pull it off now. If you want your egg cooked a bit longer, just leave the lid on a little bit longer. It's ready now. I'm just going to turn the heat off and let that finish off. And we'll just wait on our rice, which is coming. So there we have it. Bowl of steaming rice. Just remove the lid like so. little bit soft. Just slide that straight onto the rice. There you have it. And there you have it. Katsudon.